Good morning, dear listeners, and welcome to today's class. We really believe that you had a wonderful night's rest. Welcome to today's class as we bring before us this morning some problems that connect indices and logarithms of a number. I tell you that the understanding of the links between logarithm of numbers and indices is haven't gone a leg to understanding so many mathematics and statistics problems because a lot of problems which challenge us from these areas are actually situated on the concept of logarithms of numbers and indices. So the moment you know them, surely you can go a long way to navigating your way out of so many problems. So I've just called up one question today to solve with you on the board with the intention that at the end you must have seen one or two things that can go a long way to help you solve problems that are related to these concepts. So permit me to call the question up from the what to the board while we solve together with you. We cherish your audience. So what we have here is they ask us, that is question number one. Find P, find P in terms of Q if log P base 3 plus 3 log Q base 3 equals 3. That's what they ask us to do. It appears simple. They say find P in terms of Q if log P base 3 plus 3 log Q base 3 equals what? 3. We quickly go into it as a way of solution. We now say solution. So permit me to divide this board this way. We come here. What we have here is log of P base 3 plus. Remember that in logarithm, when a number is multiplying a log, it is the same thing as log of that number powered to that number. Because in logarithm, they say that once we have x log n base a, it can be written as log of n, which is here, raised to power this what? Number base what? A. This and this mean the same thing in logarithm. And if they mean the same thing in logarithm, I'm going to apply it here. I am looking at this x as if to say it were 3, looking at this q as if to say it were n, looking at this 3 as if to say it were what? A. And on that note, what I have is what? 3 log of what? Q base what? 3. It's going to be expressed as a log of what? Q raised to power what? 3 base what? 3. I express this to this. So this should be expressed to this. And if this is this, I'll just come back and put it here. So here it becomes log of what? Q raised to power 3 base what? 3 equals what? 3. Of course, we know in logarithm that addition is multiplication. That is logarithm. Addition is what? Multiplication. So what I'm going to do here becomes what? Log. What is the number here? P times. What is the number here? Q raised to power what? 3 base what? 3 equals what? This 3. Because this addition is this multiplication here. You pick the number here, multiply by the number here. In as much as this is log base 3, log base 3, you pick 1. Of course, this is now going to be, just like you know that in logarithm, whenever you have this thing, it becomes 3 raised to power 3 is equals to this quantity. So what I have is what? 3 raised to power 3 is equals P times Q raised to power 3. And then of course, I was asked to find what? P in terms of what? Q. So I will now trying to make what? P subject of formula. And it becomes all over what? Dividing both sides with Q raised to power 3. all over q raised to power 3 all over q raised to power 3. So that q raised to power can cancel q raised to power 3. And I'm left with p. So this is p equals 3 raised to power 3 all over q raised to power 3 all over q raised to power 3. Here is of power of 3, here is of power of 3. So this can be expressed as 3 all over q. All raised to power what 3 as the answer. Thank you very much for giving us an audience. What did we do here? They asked us to find p in terms of what q. If this expression equals what 3. We say as a way of solution. We say log of this p base 3 written here. We now came here. Here what we have is log 3 log q base 3. But we said in indices or in logarithm, we can write this quantity as log of q raised to power 3 base 3, following the idea of this, which can be expressed like this in logarithm. So the moment we did that, we came back and replaced it here. This is equals to 3. We also remember that addition in logarithm is multiplication. So we have log of what? Of this p multiplied by this q raised to power what? 3 base 3 is equals to this number. And then, for us to be able to drop off this log here, we say that this is 3 raised to power 3 equals to this quantity. 3 raised to power 3 equals p times q raised to power 3. My interest is on what? On p. So I divide both sides with q to make p stand alone. So this q raised to power 3 and q raised to power will cancel. Then I have this. So p is equals to this. And this can be expressed into this. Thank you very much for giving us your time today. We'll continue almost on daily basis to be bringing to you what will transform your knowledge on mathematics and statistics to the best that you ever expect. Thank you very much. Stay tuned for our next classes. Do us well to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that the moment we upload our classes, you will surely get to them and listen to them for your own good, for the good of your household and your friends. Thank you very much.